Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. My name is Marybeth Angelelli, and I just want to bring you inside and show you what is possible with this very system when you show up every single day, commit, and be consistent with your marketing. Okay, today, Sunday, March the 10th, 2024, had another premium level customer come in and join, and this resulted in another $600 commission for me. So let me just show you where we're at from the 1st until the 10th, okay? So I'm just going to share with you, what is possible, because this is really taking off and so many people inside of our amazing community are having tremendous success. And that's what I'm going to share with you in today's video, okay? So here we go, folks. This is my name right here. This is the time and date stamp. And as you can see, there is the commission right here that came in for me today, okay? We had another $600 yesterday, which was Saturday, come through. We had another $600 come in on Friday, okay? There's another $600 that came in. Another $300 commission generated. Another $600 commission generated. $150 commission. $600 commission this month. Another $600 commission this month. A $300 commission right here, okay? Followed by a $150 commission. If you do the simple math, that comes out to $5,100, $5,100 in the first 10 days of this month, March. Now, I just want to share with you this because I want to show you that we do have a system in place that works. It converts extremely well. And if you put forth the time and the effort, you too can go on and have some great results and turn your dreams into a reality. We have a complete automated system that we're using, and you will get access to this and also our amazing community where we have additional free resources. Okay, and that's where I'm going to bring you right now inside of our community. And this is what you're going to get as a special bonus, okay, for joining and getting started. This is our digital growth community, and this is where we are making things happen. And it's not about me, folks. We have so much success inside of this amazing place, okay? So here is the community. Right now, we are at 10,500 members, growing every single day. So click on community, we click on wins. Let me just show you the success that our members are experiencing from following the system and following a simple 2-hour workday using this automated funnel system, okay, and follow-up system. Look at this, $3,000 in 15 days and gaining momentum. $600 from webinar last night. She has been in the funnel for a while, and the webinar sealed it. Our webinars, we host these every single week. They are very powerful. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do for you, because I would love for you to be able to access the replay, not only am I going to drop the link to my website, which happens to be dailypaywithmarybeth.com in the description, I'll also list my contact details, my personal cell. So if you're serious and if you have any remaining questions upon your review, you can just simply text or call me. And I'm also dropping the link to this powerful, powerful, powerful webinar from last week. This is an absolute must hear if you're serious about getting started and joining us in this amazing opportunity. Okay? Look at this. This is crazy. Unexpected $600 ding last night. 1,000 followers. Whoop, whoop. More leads. Look at this, folks. Power of automation, $600 day. $300 while watching the SB Super Bowl, I believe. Look at this, folks. $1,200 seconds apart on a school run. I mean, look at this. This is exciting. $600 ding. Feels like I'm in a dream. I had a $900 day today. Look at this. South Africa, rands. We are a worldwide opportunity, okay, and just growing all over the world. And I'm walking on clouds. I'm so grateful to my sponsor here and inside this community, and that I found one of her TikTok videos last year, okay? Look at this, folks. Lots of shout outs, a lot of celebrations. We celebrate wins irregardless of how big or small they are. Look at this, folks. Ding while buying a new car, $600 ding while writing a check to a new car thanks to this opportunity. Okay, look at this, $300 from someone I spoke to almost a year ago, $1,200 in less than 48 hours, first $300 sale. And I'll just do one more sample page for you, just to show you what's possible. Look, upgraded to the 600, $300 ding, $600 day, 5 o'clock a.m., $300 came in, woke up to $600. See, this is the power of an automated system. What we do is we show you how to create content. 3 pieces a day has proven to produce daily pay. We show you how to do it. We show you how to find your perfect customer and then take them on the journey through your automated funnel, through your Freedom Machine, so that you can build know, like, and trust. And when they're ready to purchase, they will purchase, folks, okay? It's absolutely amazing. We have all the resources, all the training, all the tools. This is an extension of the actual digital products that you're going to be getting inside when you join. Look, $1,200 for my live tonight, $1,800 for the day, $450 this morning, $10,000 month. Look at this, $600 ding, $600 while watching college basketball. Yesterday was $150, today is $150. Look at the celebrating Chinese New Year with $300. Just like Christmas every time, woke up to a $600 sale. $300 while watching TV, $1,200 in 5 days. And look at this, folks. I couldn't make this up if I wanted to. You know, like they say, documentation beats conversation any day of the week, and the proof is truly in the pudding. I shared with you, what's possible. My results, what I was able to produce in the first 10 days, and individual results, they will vary. They will vary. Can't make any claims of income. Of course, I can't make promises, guarantees of income, because it's all going to be dependent on you and what you're going to do when you get access to this system and your work ethic. But look at these results. They're absolutely amazing. Okay? So we're going to equip you with everything you need, though, to have success. The success that you desire, and more importantly, the success that you deserve. Okay? It's all here inside of our digital growth community. And above and beyond the digital products that you will get access to when you get started and make your one-time investment, you're going to also get access to an invite from me to you. You'll get an extra email. It's going to have my link. It's going to be my invite. And all you have to do is just complete it. I'll send you the simple instructions in the email, and then you'll be able to get access to this above and beyond your digital products and your digital product training inside of your back office. Okay? Look at this, getting started training. This is additional supplemental training. You'll plug in, start here. This is all very easily laid out. It's simple to follow, step-by-step video training tutorials. You'll be able to join us and access our 90-day 2024 vision sprint, which we are well in the midst of, okay? We're going to show you how to master your CEO mindset, digital marketing skills, which we're going to equip you with, and we're going to take you on this launch your 6-figure journey with a 2-hour workday. We'll show you how to get the job done in 2 hours a day, folks. It's very simple because it's all about having freedom, using your Freedom Machine, using your funnel, and being able to enjoy life, folks. 2 hours out of 24 hours in any given day, folks. That still gives you 22 hours to live life. Live life on your own terms, folks, and do what you want to be out there doing. Do what, fuels your passions, and doing what you need to do. Okay? Additional supplemental training, folks, on TikTok, which is absolutely amazing and truly trending. Okay? Here's how you're going to set up your free automated sales funnel. Right here, we walk you through the steps. This is going to be your Freedom Machine. This is going to work for you on autopilot. 24/7, 365, doing all your telling, your selling, your explaining, so you don't have to. It's going to do all your follow-up. And best of all, this is what I keep telling people, this is rejection-free. I never have to worry about hearing the words no because of the power and potential of this automated system. It does an amazing, amazing job. And by the way, folks, this is launching this month. Got to get this out there. You come in right now at the premium, which happens to be our $600 premium product, by far our most popular. It's our flagship product. You're going to get 3 more additional products. Above and beyond your 4 digital products, you're going to get 3 more for a grand total of 7. This is going to give you $1,000 worth of products for only $29. So you come in, you pay your $600 one-time premium, plus your one-time admin of $59, and then you're going to go ahead and get this right here, okay? This Legacy Series, 3 additional products, $29. So grand total, you'll have 7 streams of income to be moving forward with in 2024. So if you want more in 2024, folks, this is the place to plant your seeds, to take action and get started ASAP, because this is definitely time sensitive this month, okay? We have additional free resources right here. 6 figures in 6 months. How to discover your perfect customer. This is where the real magic begins. Once you understand this, go through this training, successfully complete it, you're going to be able to create your content, your 3 pieces of daily content around your perfect customer. And this is where the magic really is going to begin for you too. Okay? How to build a faceless brand. So if you don't want to do talking videos, we give you this alternative, this option, which works very well too, okay? 90-day ramp-up challenge. We have our mentoring and our tech Zooms. They're all recorded. The replays are all uploaded here in this module. And then this is last year's 90-day sprint. All the replays are uploaded in this module. So everything you need, folks, is right here to set you up and position you for the best results and much continued success in 2024. So with that being said, folks, I'd love nothing more than to welcome you to the team in advance. We'll get you set up. We'll get you positioned in here, and you can just rock and roll with us. Okay? So what I want you to do right now is head over to Daily. Let me show you what this is going to look like. dailypaywithmarybeth.com. Okay? And this is my Freedom Machine. You'll be able to have access to your very own Freedom Machine. This, by the way, converts extremely, extremely well. And all you have to do, folks, is show up, put forth your 2 hours a day, create your content, and let this Freedom Machine work for you around the clock, folks. Okay? Producing for you daily pay. Just enter your email. You'll have my contact details below. And I've also included the link to our webinar from last week. You absolutely need to plug into that, folks, and just be prepared to be excited. With that being said, I'd love nothing more than to welcome you in advance to the team and look forward to seeing you soon on the inside of not only this system, but our amazing, amazing community. Talk with you soon. Make it a great day and have a prosperous marketing week.